everyone, let's start off with this outfit. This top is called the Surprise Neck Batwing Sleeve Top. It is in size small and it is a little bit sheer though, so I suggest you wear white or a nude undergarment for this. And I wish it is just a little bit tighter on this area, and I would also like clip this part right here. It's just too revealing for me. I also got these earrings. It is called the Crystal Detail Tassel Drop Earrings. Super fun for summer. This next top that I'm wearing, based on my history, it's called the Square Neck Puff Sleeve Lettuce Trim Rib Knit Top. I know it's different from the picture, but in my history that's the name. It has a super long name, but I'm so happy with this top. I like its stretchability, and it is in small. After my pregnancy, all of the things I wear is in medium, and I'm glad I can fit on a small top again. This top has a square neck, has a puffy sleeve. Obviously you can wear it like this or you can pull it down, depends on your style. Next, this top is called the puff sleeve zip up tee. It is slightly similar with the previous top that I showed you, but I'm not really 100% happy with this one. I got this in small, but as you can clearly see, it's big for me. If you want to order this top, go get one size smaller, and then the zipper at the center goes all the way down, so you can absolutely adjust it if you want to show more skin. But as for me, unfortunately, there is nothing to see, so I'm keeping the zipper up like this. Ooh, this one I totally love. It's called the mock neck leopard panel top. I can rock it for summer and also for fall or even in winter months. I love the print, super trendy, and it's also slightly stretchy. Next is this leopard print one-piece swimsuit. Again, I love the print. It's super trendy, and also I love the versatility of this swimsuit. You can wear this in different ways, which I will show you later on this video. Also know that if you want to buy this particular swimsuit, it is a cheeky swimsuit. This is what I was talking about. You can pair the swimsuit with shorts or with pants. If you want to wear it with pants, just add some blazer and they will never know. This pants is called the Gold Button Details Wide Leg Pants. The button is supposed to look gold in color, but after I washed it, it became brass. I don't know why, but it did. And also I have to make adjustment for the waist because it's a little bit big for me. This is the next outfit. I paired this super fun skirt with a top that I got from Shein months ago. Of course, you can, pair this with many things, but I'm just gonna mention the top for you if you're curious. It's called the high neck fitted solid tee. Although it looks super warm, as you can see, because of the high neck, the material is super soft, it's super breathable, super stretchy. It doesn't have the warm kind of material, so I like it. I like how this particular one feels. The top is done. Now let's talk about the skirt. I purchased this skirt because I really love the print. It is a classic print. It's called the leopard print tie side wrap skirt. It is not boring. I can use this for summer and just pair it with almost anything. I can also rock this obviously for fall or winter. Pieces like this is really nice to have. Since this is a wrap, depends on how you style it. You can show your legs or just keep it fully covered. Since it's summer, I obviously got to have a tie-dye dress. This is called a tie-dye ruche dress. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right. I got this in small. Although it's super stretchy, it is also fitting, meaning it shows the belly area. Looking at myself right now, oh my god, I'm stretching the dress like crazy, but you get it, it's super stretchy. If I decide to wear this dress outside, I'm gonna have to wear something that will keep my stomach flat. But since I'm planning on wearing this around the house, I'm not too worried about that. It is both stretchy on the side, and you can also actually stretch the length of the dress, which is awesome. You can wear this dress as a midi dress, or you can wear it short. I like it short. I also do like the feeling when I have this on. It's super soft in the skin, it's not rough. Overall, I love this dress. Next is this super fun and colorful summer dress. This is also trendy. It's called the tie-dye front tee dress. I already have worn this to the beach and I got a lot of compliments. It has a tie. You can tie this in the front or at the back, totally up to you. I got this in small. It doesn't show my belly as much as the previous dress, but unfortunately the one thing that I'm not fan of this dress is its material. I wish they used a more comfortable and softer material. When I look at the website, the material of this dress is polyester. Up next is this ruffle trim knotted floral print cami dress. I also got this in small. When I looked at the dress on the website, it looked really good on the model, but when I tried it on, it looks different. I don't know what you think about it. For me, it doesn't complement my body type. Don't get me wrong, I love the look of this dress, but I don't think it's for me though. With the ruffles going on in this dress, to me it makes me want to move or maybe dance, enjoy a drink by the beach, hashtag vacation feels, that kind of vibe. This is a lovely sweet dress. It's called Confetti Heart Print Tie Shoulder Ruch Bust Dress. I love how this one hugs my body. I also got this in small and I'm so happy that it fit me. It is tight around the upper rib area and it's something that I like, honestly. It gives me a slimmer figure. It's non-stretch. I am also in love with the all-over confetti heart print. Also, the tie strap on the shoulder complemented the design of this dress. It made it look super girly, which I adore. It is a very cute mini dress. I have never tried purchasing a pajama set before from Shein, but when I saw this, it looks like one's from Victoria's Secret, so I purchased it. When I tried it on, holy cow, I was so surprised. It's called the Lace Trim Satin Cami Top Pants PJ Set. I got it in small. The first night I tried it on, I was completely hooked. Both the material and the lace is super soft. It feels so nice on the skin. There's a tiny loose threads from the lace, but it is something I have expected. I also like that the pants are super stretchy. This item makes me want to buy more from them. Last clothing item for me is this ruffle hem belted satin robe. It is super pretty. It could have been the perfect robe for me if it only has the inner tie to help keep the robe in place. It is super soft and slippery, and since it only has one belt outside, I have to be very careful because the front goes open easily. Yeah, let's go to the things that I like about this robe. I mean, there's a lot. It has a beautiful color and style, and even if it, needs a little work, I have no regrets purchasing this. I look like $1,000,000. Let's move on to the hair accessory. This one is called the Faux Pearl Decor Hair Claw, and this is what it looks like. I also got my baby boy some clothes. So this one is, there you go, he caught me in the middle of filming. But this one is called the Baby Boy Striped Cartoon Tiger Graphic Tee Romper. It's so comfortable and soft. I also like the sizing of this because it has a little bit of room for him to grow. Next is this Baby Boy Camo Spliced Pocket Patch Jumpsuit. This one has a soft material too and it is stretchy. It looks comfortable for my toddler. I want to see him in this outfit with a hat and some shoes. I also got him these adorable hats. That's it for this haul video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button to be notified for my next video. Have a wonderful day. See you all next time.